Kim dancehall couple Wulengende and Maleti have been reportedly arrested in Zimbabwe following their performance at the Harare edition of the Duke and Slay event at Glamis Arena. The arrest has been drawn renewed attention to allegations surrounding the pair's previous performance bookings and their relationships with event promoters. Pakaipa guys, pakaipa vanhu ava vasungwa nhasi vana Hulengende naMaloti. Vasungigwa nyaya yekuti havasi kuona bookings avo. Now, according to reports by iHarare and 263 Chat, the couple were taken into custody shortly after appearing on stage at the Harare event. The precise charges have not been clearly established in the reports available at the time of publication. However, the arrest is reportedly connected to complaints from promoters who claim that Hulengende and Maloti accepted deposit for performance but subsequently failed to fulfill some of their contractual commitments. Panga pakatoshata guys, panga pakatoshata. Paitika ndeo vakuru chaivo. Right, the allegations reportedly include instances where the musicians allegedly failed to turn up for booked performances, while in other cases they are accused of arriving late. Such incidents can have serious financial consequences for promoters who may already have spent substantial amounts on venues, advertising, security, and other event arrangements. Disappointed audience can also damage the reputation of promoters and affect future events. Guys, chunichi inini munoziva kuti chi ndozvakandiregesa kuenda kuma-shows aya, because unoziva kuti chi panouya vamwe vaimbi vakuru vane mukurumbira. Unoona panouya zvima-curtain raisers zvezvi ndozvinouya kuzotanga zvaridza mune muchiti ari kuuya manje ari kusvika mufesi ari kusvika amoona mogara apa anenge achinzi anouya kuma-10 usiku, moona a11, moona a12, moona a1 o'clock, moona a3 o'clock, mozoona 4 mufesi uya osvika orova 30 minutes obvarwa pasi. Guys, mafesi aya kaya pamupacho vanodhina varume ava. Right, again, vakomana, the controversy is not entirely new. Earlier in 2026, Maloti withdrew from a scheduled appearance in the UK-based Y2K Summer Festival after a dispute with organizers. Reports stated that she had received US 1,650 security deposit and said she would not refund it if the organizers cancelled the arrangement following a demand that she apologize for controversial remarks. Hulengende subsequently withdrew from the event in solidarity with his wife. Panga pakatoshata kan guys. Hapana kumira mushe. The latest allegations, however, appear to involve a broader set of complaints. iHarare reported that some UK-based promoters and promoters in other countries in the region have also raised concerns over alleged cancelled, delayed, or unfulfilled performances. These remain allegations, and the available reports do not establish that the couple have been convicted of any offense. So far, they will have to appear in court and then answer to these charges. Right, the arrest comes at a time when the couple had already attracted considerable public attention in Zimbabwe. In March, Hulengende and Maloti were named in parliament after Zvimba South MP Taurai Mangaliso accused them of promoting or normalizing drug and substance abuse through social media. These allegations generated further debate about the responsibilities of musicians and social media influencers. For now, important questions remain unanswered, including the exact complaints that led to the arrest, the number of promoters involved, and whether formal criminal charges have been filed. The arrest should therefore not be interpreted as proof of guilt. Right, the developments would nevertheless have significant consequences for the couple's entertainment careers. Promoters may become more cautious about paying deposits, while fans and event organizers are likely to demand greater certainty that booked artists will honor their commitments. Right, as authorities continue dealing with the matter, further information from the Zimbabwe Republic Police, the courts, or the involved promoters will be important in determining exactly what happened in what charges, if any, Hulengende and Maloti will face. Guys, pakatoshata handi muri kuona ndeo yanga iripo iyo mapurisa aenda kunobata. But you see, the other thing is that I think the approach that the police used here was not a good approach, because how can you go and arrest a person when he's performing on the stage? Havazivi here kuti vanogara kupi vanava. They've got addresses, these guys. I think this was also meant to embarrass them as well when they arrested them like this. So sometimes you can see, look at Maloti, akashieldwa nevanhu apo pakona apo pane imwe video, and it's like people, vanhu vanogona kuresista ka, or even to resist to assault the police as well, because if they attempt to make such an arrest, I think it's very dangerous to do that. Arresting someone on such an arena. How do you do that? How do you arrest someone pakazara vanhu kudai, and you want to take that person off the stage? How do you do something like that? Guys, saka chinhu ichi kaichi, tell me what you think in the comment section regarding the issue that we are talking about here. Also write these things in the comment section so that we will be able to give you more of these stories, Zahulengende and Maloti. And I will also make a follow-up of this story to make sure that you guys get the first-hand information on what will happen when they appear in court. So you must also keep watching the other videos on this channel, and make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Right, so what I will be doing is, guys, if you write in the comment section, what I will do is I'm giving away some cups and the t-shirts that are engraved with the One Day One News logo. If you write in the comment section, you can actually write in the comment section, then I will indicate whether you have won that cup, and I'll be able to send you the cup and the t-shirt so that you guys can continue to listen to this channel. Right, guys, write in the comment, and have a good day.